Do you know there's a feature called hand off or continuity feature in Apple products? Today we are going to show you how you can use your iPad as a secondary screen to your MacBook. So we call something sidecar. That is what we are going to use the iPad for, to serve as a secondary screen, to either mirror or to extend our MacBook screen to the iPad. Before you can enable this feature, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, and also both has been signed into the same Apple ID. So you go to settings. In the settings, you select general, then you go to airdrop and hand off. So I'll select airdrop and hand off. At the top of the menu, you can see allow hand off between this Mac and your iCloud devices, meaning if I enable this feature, I can use my iPhone as a webcam for my MacBook in case I'm having a video call with someone. In the same way, I can use my Apple Watch to also unlock my MacBook and other activities as well. But here, we are going to extend our MacBook screen to the iPad, so you enable it. Then you come to your iPad, the same process. You select settings, you go to general, then you select AirPlay and continuity. Also, you select enable the hand off option as it has already been selected. After that, now the magic can happen. Let's see. I can move my cursor from my MacBook screen to my iPad and control it. You see the magic over here? So I can play music with my iPad as I'm using the MacBook cursor or trackpad. And you can see the magic over there. I can also type using my MacBook keyboard. Mind you, it's continuity, meaning, or it's hand off, meaning whatever that can be done on the MacBook, I'm handing it off onto the iPad. So let's select notes. I can type here with my MacBook keyboard. So as you can see, pop. So as you can see, I can do my typing using my MacBook keyboard. On my iPad, you can open Excel, word processing document, even notes, and use your MacBook keyboard in typing on your iPad. After you've enabled the continuity feature or the hand-off feature on your MacBook and your iPad, now you can extend your MacBook screen to your iPad or even mirror your MacBook screen on your iPad. So let's do that. First of all, you can see it on top of the taskbar. There's a particular rectangle with a division with a cursor. Just click on that. You can see link keyboard and mouse to iPad. It's already enabled. Go to display. The display, you have the MacBook screen, then the iPad screen. But the main device is selected as the MacBook because the iPad is going to be served as a secondary screen. So at the use as, you can see the main display. All right. So you can enable the extended display, or you can go to mirror or extend inbuilt display. And as I do that, you can see the iPad mirroring the MacBook screen, and whatever that is happening on the MacBook, you can see it happening on the on the iPad as well. Now you have a secondary screen to your MacBook. If your MacBook has a limited screen, then you can extend you can extend everything or mirror everything onto the iPad. Let's see if I've opened numerous windows and I want to move some to the iPad. That one, I think you can use that one as use as extended display. So whatever that will be open on the Mac, so I can share windows across screens. So now I have my Notes app open on my MacBook. I can open a different, let's say my RStudio on my iPad, or more or less, I can move the the RStudio onto the MacBook, as you can see. Then open different window on the iPad. Let's say image playground, and that is it. You have it there. So you can multitask in either devices as you extend your display. But if you want to mirror, you can also mirror, so that whatever happens on your Mac also happens on the iPad. Thank you.